Plant FAQs. Philodendron radiatum variegated. Philodendron radiatum variegated. Unveiling the secrets of this stunning plant. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the Philodendron radiatum variegated, a captivating houseplant that's as stunning as it is unique. This beauty boasts vibrant green leaves splashed with creamy white variegation, making it a true conversation starter in any room. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to nurture your Philodendron radiatum variegated to its full potential. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. How much light does a Philodendron radiatum variegated need? Unlike its non-variegated counterpart, the Philodendron radiatum variegated thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Direct sun exposure can scorch the delicate leaves, so avoid placing it in south-facing windows. East or west-facing windows with sheer curtains are ideal spots. Will my plant lose its variegation in low light? Absolutely. The beautiful variegation is a direct result of chlorophyll production. In low light, the plant struggles to produce enough chlorophyll, leading to a decline in variegation and potentially stunted growth. How often should I water my Philodendron radiatum variegated? The key is to water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Are there any signs to watch out for regarding watering? Drooping leaves are a telltale sign of underwatering. Conversely, mushy leaves or a foul odor from the soil indicate overwatering. What temperature range is ideal for my Philodendron radiatum variegated? Mimic its native tropical habitat. Aim for temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid drastic temperature fluctuations. Does this plant require high humidity? While it appreciates moderate humidity, around 50%, it can adapt to average household humidity levels. If you notice brown leaf edges, consider grouping your plants together or using a humidifier to increase moisture levels. What kind of soil is best for my Philodendron radiatum variegated? Opt for a well-draining, airy potting mix. Aroid mix or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works wonders. How often should I fertilize my plant? During the active growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month is sufficient. Withhold fertilizer in fall and winter when growth slows. My Philodendron radiatum variegated has brown spots on the leaves. What's wrong? Brown spots can be caused by several factors. Check for sunburn due to excessive light exposure. Ensure proper drainage and adjust your watering habits if necessary. Why are the leaves of my plant curling? Curling leaves can be a sign of underwatering, low humidity, or even pest infestation. Rule out each cause systematically to identify the culprit. Can I propagate my Philodendron radiatum variegated? Absolutely. Stem cuttings are the most common method. Take a healthy stem with at least one node, dip it in rooting hormone, optional, and plant it in a moist, well-draining potting mix. Will the propagated plant retain the variegation? Variegation in propagated plants can be unpredictable. Some nodes might produce fully variegated leaves, while others might revert to non-variegated foliage. These two philodendrons share a similar heart-shaped leaf form, but with distinct characteristics. Variegation. Philodendron radiatum variegated boasts creamy white variegation on green leaves, while Philodendron Brazil features lime green variegation on darker green leaves. Rarity. Philodendron radiatum variegated is considerably rarer and more expensive than Philodendron Brazil. Light requirements. Philodendron Brazil can tolerate lower light levels compared to Philodendron radiatum variegated. Philodendron radiatum versus Mayoi. My Philodendron radiatum is a bouncy dream. Its leaves are a smooth, vibrant green, and their cheerful, lobed shape reminds me of a playful hand waving hello. It grows quickly, putting out new, waxy leaves that feel cool and delightful to touch. On the other hand, Philodendron Mayoi is a touch more sophisticated. Its leaves have a slightly textured, matte finish, and the deep green color has a subtle, almost mysterious quality. The stems are a stunning reddish-brown, adding a whole other dimension to the plant's look. While the radiatum is all about joyful growth, the Mayoi feels more reserved and elegant. Philodendron radiatum versus Selloum. The Selloum, however, is a whole different beast. It's enormous, deeply lobed leaves make it a real statement piece. It instantly transforms any corner into a mini jungle. But this lushness comes with a price. The Selloum needs consistently moist soil and higher humidity to truly thrive. It's definitely a commitment, but the dramatic effect it creates is totally worth it. Conclusion: the allure of the Philodendron Radiatum variegated. With its stunning variegation and easygoing nature, the Philodendron Radiatum variegated is a captivating addition to any plant collection. By following these simple care tips, you can ensure your Philodendron Radiatum variegated thrives for years to come, its vibrant foliage adding a touch of elegance and intrigue to your home. Remember, a little TLC goes a long way with this beauty.